Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our calculate function. And in the previous video we have successfully wrote this code for showing the subtotal. Now let's start to writing the code for discount and SGST and CGST. So first of all, our variable which we have created which was SGST, and we can pass this variable. Okay, so let's use parse float, and inside that I can write dollar and then double quotes, and then here I will pass txt sgst underscore id. Okay, so we have passed. Okay, so let's see this txt sgst underscore id. So this is the id. Let's copy and let's find this from where we are taking this. So we need to create this id. Okay, so let's go above of the code, and here we have sgst in percent. You can see here the sgst in percent. So here we need to give id, and in that id we need to give that name as txt sgst underscore id, and we can give here underscore p. P is for the percent. Okay, and let me copy this id. Let me copy this id, and let's come down for the cgst, and here we can also give id for the cgst, and this is the txt cgst underscore id underscore p. P is for the percent, so you can see here the percent sign, and just like that we can give the id for the sgst rs mean rupees, and here I can pass the id txt sgst underscore id, but here instead of p I can give n for the numbers. Okay, and let's copy this, and let's come down for the cgst and rs, and let's paste it here. Okay, and just give here c instead of s, and here for the total we can give here the id txt total. Okay, and then after the total we have due, and here we can also give the id, and here we can give due txt due, and here in that input for the pad id I can give here txt pad. Okay, now let's save and let's go back for the calculate function code. Okay, and just let's copy this line and paste for the cgst. Okay, and let's cut first search box, and here I can give cgst, and here I need to give underscore p for the percent, underscore p for the percent. Okay, and here I need let's paste again, and here I need to give discount, and for the discount I need to give here discount. So let's see the id of the discount text field. So here is not the id for the discount, so discount it is in rs, and here let's give id, and here I can give txt discount underscore p. Okay, and let's copy this and let's paste it here, txt discount underscore n. Okay, Save this and let's come down for the code, and here discount underscore, let's give here p for the percent. Okay, now we have get out the value after parsing and that variable. So now what we can do, simply here let's give sgst and is equal to sgst divide by 100, because we are calculating the percent into the numbers. Okay, and again sgst and sgst multiply by 100, divide by 100 and multiply by subtotal, then terminate the line. Just like this we can do for the cgst. So let's copy these two lines and let paste here and give here cgst instead of sgst. Okay, perfect. Okay, and after this if we get the sgst value is 2.5, you can see here the 2.5. Let me open the calculator, clear this, and if I take 2.5%, which is divide by 100, let's divide by 100, is equal to 0.025, and then this value multiply by subtotal. We can calculate the subtotal of this value. So for example, the subtotal is 500. Okay, now 12.5 is the SGST in numbers. Okay, the percent is 2.5, and on 500 subtotal the 2.5% SGST is 12.5 rupees. Okay, so just like that we are performing the calculation, mathematical calculation. Okay, I hope you got this, and after that we can show the values. So let me write code here. So using of these two lines, we have set the value, we have passed the sgst.toFix here for the field of the numbers. So let's save and see the output, it is working or not, this code is working or not. Let's refresh our file. Now let's select the product. If I select the Kisan tomato ketchup, you can see here the price is 160, and you can see here the discount is 2%, and we need to show here the discount also, and the subtotal is 160, and the SGST is 2.5, and the SGST in rupees is 4. So let me open the calculator and let's see the calculations. If I clear this, and you can see here our SGST in percent is 2.5, and let's divide it by 100. Okay, and it multiply by total, so the subtotal is 160. So let's 160 and 4. Now you can see here the 4, and you can see here the 4. Okay, so this is the SGST in rupees according to 2.5%. Okay, I hope you got this. Just like that we have performed the operation of CGST, and the discount is 2% here. So we need to write code for the discount also. So simple, let's go back on our code, and here we can write code for the discount. So let's copy this and paste it here and give here txt discount underscore n, and value we can pass here discount. Okay, and you can see here I use here dot to fixed method. If I give here 1, you can see the floor value after the dot. Let's open our browser, refresh our file, and let's again select Kisan tomato ketchup. Okay, now you can see here the discount is 2. Okay, so I think the discount value, let's check, let me check, not working. Okay, so our discount is not working. Why? Because we need to write the calculation code for the discount also. So let me copy this and let me paste it here, and instead of CGST let me give here discount, and let's copy the discount and let's paste it here and give here, and let's give here. Okay, now let's save and let's see the output. Refresh our page and let's select our product. Perfect. Now you can see here the 2% discount of 160 is 3.2, and SGST is 2.5% and CGST 2.5%. both are 4 plus 4 means 8. Okay, so the 5% tax is 8 rupees on 160 rupees, or you can say the dollar. So our calculation is working perfect. Now after this I can write total. Total variable is equal to SGST then plus CGST, and after that plus subtotal, and finally minus discount, terminate. Now in the total variable we get all the total value. I just count here, I just add here SGST, CGST, and then plus subtotal and minus discount. Okay, after that I can use here a due variable, and inside a due variable let's total minus paid. Okay, paid amount, paid underscore empty. Let's terminate, and that then we can show the value in the total text field. So how can we show? Simply let's copy this and just give here 2 again. Okay, and paste it here. Now let's give here txt total, and let pass here total variable instead of discount. Okay, and give here 2. Okay, and just like that we can, let's copy this line and paste it here, and here we can give txt due. Okay, this is also the ID of the text field due, and here I can pass due variable. Okay, so total, then total, and then paid. Perfect. Now let's save our file and let's see the output. Refresh our file and let's select product Kisan tomato ketchup. Perfect, our code is working perfect now. You can see here the subtotal, which is 160, and discount is 2%. According 2% discount, we have given here 3.20 in numbers, in dollars or rupees the discount, and you can see here the text is 2.5 and 2.5 the CGST, and in rupees or dollar you can see here the numbers according to the 2.5% is 4 and 4, and the total you can see here after the discount and after the tax is 164.80. so you can see here the floor value at 0. Okay, that's why we have given here dot to fix 2. So we are able to see here 2 values, 2 digits or 2 numbers after the dot. If we give here 1, then we will only see 8 and not the 0. Okay, we will only see the 8, EIGHT 8. Okay, and then you can see here the due amount. So here you can see due amount is 164, and the paid amount, if customer give us 200. Okay, so here in this due field we will be able to see the return amount, what amount we need to return here. Okay, so for that we will write code in the next video. Now let's select again. Now the subtotal is 185, and you can see here the discount is increased, and the tax as GST and CGST is also increased, and the total is also increased here. And remove this. So our code is working perfect. If I again select Kisan Tomato Ketchup, now you can see here the quantity 2 and subtotal is 345. Okay, and if I increase the quantity here of Dinah soap, if I give here 10 instead of 1, let me add 0. Now you can see here the 250, and you can see here but the value is not changing here. Let me remove this. Okay, you can see here the value is not changing here. Why? Because we need to call the function here. Simple, just like that, we call the function here. Let me copy this function, and here we need to call that function. Paste it here, save. Okay, and open our browser, refresh, and select again, and if I increase the value, perfect. Now you can see here 1600, and the 2% discount is 32, and the tax is 40 means plus 80. Now the total is 164.00. Okay, I hope you got this. What I have done in this video, we have just wrote the code for the calculate function. Okay, you can see here the simple code of jQuery. So we will continue this code in the next video. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me. Okay, so see you in next video.